Hey, what's up, guys? I found this beer left over from some campers and I'm totally wasted. I'm sorry I bumped the camera.
Have you guys seen this vlogging Yeti online? It's actually pretty funny. And I'm gonna teach you how to do this exact thing in under 5 minutes. First step, click the link down in the description. That'll bring you to Envato.com, which is actually the sponsor of this video. You can do a monthly or annual subscription. It's actually really cheap for everything that you get. Then head over to the Gen AI section. Click on the Gen AI video. You can type in a prompt. And for example, I typed in, I need a realistic video of a Yeti in the woods vlogging that says maybe a joke or he's got humor and he's very relatable. And then you can click on Enhance with AI. That will actually create an AI generated prompt that makes this video basically turbocharged. Make sure you click on the audio tab and then select generate. Boom, bada bang.
So the new cooking show is gonna be off the chain, totally off the chain.
It's pretty wild what you can create with AI in under 5 minutes. I don't know how I feel about this. I think it's actually really funny that AI can create something this good so quickly. It's really entertaining, but I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of on the fence about the AI thing. I don't know where it's gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna affect the creators out there. Comment down below. I'm actually genuinely curious to hear your thoughts. All right, well, I'm gonna go back on the couch because I'm sick, so see you guys later. Bye.
All right, I need to find a spot to go to the bathroom soon, and humans are the worst.